In today's video, I am going to teach you how to block YouTube ads on Google Chrome. To get started, open the Google Chrome browser on your computer. Make sure you are using Chrome, because we will be installing a Chrome extension from the official Chrome web store. Using the official store matters, since it helps you avoid fake or unsafe downloads. Once Chrome is open, go up to the address bar at the top. Click in the address bar, type chromewebstore.google.com, and then press the Enter key on your keyboard. This will take you directly to the Chrome Web Store homepage. When the store loads, look toward the middle of the page for the Search the Store box. Click inside that search box so your cursor is active there. Now type uBlock Origin exactly as you see it here, and press Enter again to run the search. After the results appear, find the uBlock Origin listing at the top of the list and click it to open the extension page. This is important because you want the correct extension, not a similarly named copy. Opening the listing lets you confirm you are installing the right tool from the Chrome Web Store. On the extension page, look to the right side and click the blue Add to Chrome button. Chrome will then show a confirmation pop-up near the top center of the browser window. In that pop-up, click Add Extension to approve the installation. This step is where Chrome asks for your permission, so you will need to accept it for the extension to be added. Now wait a moment for the installation to finish. You will know it is complete when Chrome opens an Installation Confirmation tab. At that point, the extension is installed and ready. From here, you can go back to YouTube in Chrome and start watching. With uBlock Origin installed, ads should be blocked during playback, so you can watch with fewer interruptions. And that is all there is to it.